Hello and welcome to Gardening with Ben's award-winning podcast, as voted by Grow Your Own magazine and by my followers and listeners. So if you're new to the podcast, make sure you click that subscribe button to stay up to date with all our podcasts, listen back to all our previous episodes, sit back, grab a brew and let's enjoy today's episode. Hello everyone and welcome to Gardening with Ben. Well, it's Saturday finally. That means get out in the garden, get out in the allotment and enjoy the fresh air. While it's still cold, it is still cold, the weather has turned, but I think it's meant to be getting warmer next week. But today it is my birthday. I am 26 plus 10. But I still feel 26. I really can't believe that I'm 36 years old. I certainly don't feel that at all. But like I said, it's my birthday today, so I am, fingers crossed, hoping to go to the allotment. But as I always say, I'm filming this episode a day ahead, so I'm recording it Friday night. So hopefully I don't have too many drinks tonight, and I do make it to the allotment in the morning. And hopefully we'll be live on the allotment as usual, because I do love spending the time down there at weekends, and as I'm only down there twice a week at the moment, I do like to make the most of it as much as I can, really. And I've got so many jobs to do, and it will soon pass winter if you don't get cracking now, as like I said, there's so much to do. I've got all my plot to clear. I'm getting there slowly but surely, but like I said, I need to start taking the netting down off my plot so that I don't get damaged with the snow, because it cost me like £80. It covers the full length of my plot, but I take it down every year, so I need to get that down now, and then the birds can start eating all the slugs off my plot. But yeah, it's to keep all the pigeons off, which it does work, it really does work. So I need to get down to the plot today. But I just thought I'd pop on here to say have a great weekend everyone. It's only a short and sweet one. Like I said, it's my birthday, so I'm going to be celebrating tonight, which is Friday, and I'm going to be celebrating on my birthday as well. So I hope that I do get down to the plot, and I hope that I manage to record some podcasts over the weekend for you to listen into. But if not, we will be back on Monday as per usual. Thank you for everyone's support, what you give me. It really does mean the world to me. Thank you for those that follow me on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, on my podcasts. And thank you for those that do keep on sharing everything that I do post. It really does mean the world, and I do enjoy this hobby. And one day, hopefully, I'll be able to do it full time, but you never know. You just have to keep on sharing stuff, and I may be able to do it full time. That is the plan. But yeah, have a great weekend everyone, and as always, remember, keep smiling, keep gardening, and keep listening to Gardening with Ben. So thank you for listening to today's episode of Gardening with Ben. We hope that you've enjoyed this episode. Remember to do click that subscribe button to stay up to date with all our podcasts. Feel free to share them on your Instagram stories so that it spreads the word about my podcast and we get lots more listeners. Feel free to check out my social media sites, Facebook and Instagram as well, Gardening with Ben, and also my YouTube channel, to stay up to date with all my handy videos, how-to videos, and sharing my tips and advice. And feel free to check the link as well in the description for my Gardening with Ben t-shirts. Lots of funny gardening design t-shirts in there for you to purchase at great prices too. So thanks again, and as always, remember, keep smiling and keep gardening.